Hi, it's Mary Allen with IT in Canada, and I'm here at CeBIT 2012 speaking with Karl-Heinz Streibich, who's the CEO of Software AG. Karl-Heinz, thanks for taking the time to speak with us this morning. I guess I'd like to start with asking you about what you feel the key trends are that are going to drive demand for Software AG products and services going forward.
The key trend is digitization. That means digitization makes private companies more competitive and public institutions more efficient. And we have a portfolio that enables companies to automate and digitize their processes, to have a standard integration layer called middleware, so that they can build an agility layer on top of their existing IT in order to be more flexible and more agile with their IT.
Yeah, it looks from organic development and from acquisitions that Software AG is looking to develop end-to-end solutions for management of all IT systems within the enterprise. How far along this path are you, and are there any key pieces to the strategy that are still outstanding?
I want to put it a bit more narrow and precise what you said. We provide end-to-end processes. We digitize and automate processes from the customer to the customer, from the order to the shipment, for example. And the definition with our product portfolio ARIS and the execution of the processes with our product portfolio web methods gives a seamless, integrated end-to-end automation of the business processes. And this is the first time that customers really can digitize their customer-facing, customer-oriented processes end-to-end. And this is what we are focusing on.
And what are the benefits to the customer of taking this systems-wide approach to managing the processes?
An end-to-end approach, the key benefit is that with automating a process end-to-end means that you are breaking the silos in enterprises, the departmental silos. Because processes are cross-departmental, they are a real collaboration platform. The different departments are collaborating along the workflow of a certain process. And this is a key benefit. It is really end-to-end without any interruptions.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. I'd like to ask you about cloud now. Everyone's talking about cloud. Has this impacted your go-to-market strategy? Are you seeing any shift in your customer base, or are there any new opportunities that cloud is opening to you?
The key is, with cloud technology, that it is an additional source for running applications, for example. And customers want to use clouds. Public clouds and private clouds, their own ones. And we are helping through the digitization of the processes, through the implementation of this middleware, this agility layer. We help companies to cloud enable their IT, that they can really connect to the cloud, if it's an internal one or external one. And we're also offering some of our tools and products in the cloud, but the major benefit we provide is that we cloud-enable enterprises.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Can we move to Canada now? I'm wondering, from your global position in Germany, how you view Canada as a market for Software AG products.
Canada is a vital part of our North American operation. And I just have been in Canada 3 weeks ago and visited some of the customers over there. And it is a great country. Canada is a great country with great resources, and there are a lot of European roots over there. So I think that the culture in Canada is very close to European culture in a lot of instances, and therefore I believe that we are good business partners and we can provide a lot and add value to the different businesses over there.
Mm-hmm. Are there any particular verticals that you would target with your software? I see that you have a well-defined solution for smart grid, and this is an area that's becoming very important now in Canada. A lot of the utilities are re-equipping and deploying smart grid applications, as an example, or are there other verticals that you might target?
As I said, we are digitizing enterprises, the processes of enterprises, and we provide an agility layer for digitization. And this has a huge benefit for private companies. It makes them more competitive, as I said, and it makes public institutions more efficient. And once you have this digitization platform, you can build any vertical solution based on that. You're not limited to a certain vertical. And this is a huge benefit. It is a horizontal digitization platform on which you can model and build very easy, pure vertical, process-oriented applications. But the major market segments we're in at the moment is the public area, then the financial area, but it's also the telcos and logistics companies. So it is any industry, because digitization is a technological evolution, coming from analog, coming from bespoke applications and going into standard digital platforms.
Thank you. My last question really is about some of your experience in former positions and what that enables you to bring to Software AG. So you've worked as an IT executive for a customer and also as VP of Sales and Service for an integrator. So what lessons did you learn working as a customer and as an integrator that you've been able to bring to Software AG?
Software AG is a software product company, very innovative one, as you know. And however, a software product company has two major areas where it must focus on. One is deploying those solutions on the customer side, because the value creation process starts when the solution is implemented, not when the license is sold. And this is what I learned at the system integrator, to focus on the deployment. What I learned when I have had CIO roles and have been working on the customer side was we are focusing on customer-centric innovation. That means we speak with customers and involve them very early in the evolution of our portfolio. So it is both what I learned out of that. It's the customer-centric innovation on one side, and it is the deployment focus for the products, for the software, because only then the value is created on the customer side.
Karl-Heinz, thanks so much for your insight this morning. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.